Most content just keeps you invisible and ignored. People scroll right on past.
Today, we're going to show you the 3 kinds of posts that make people trust you and want to buy from you.
And stick around, because at the end, we have a bonus 4th piece that is one simple thing that you need to have in place for these 3 kinds of posts to actually work. Okay, so what we want is to be the obvious choice. We want them to see your stuff and say, yes, this is it. This is for me. And so the first type of posts that we can do, this one's super powerful. It is proof posts. This is results, client wins, actual tangible things that happen as a result of what you share, what you do, what you teach. And for some examples of that.
Okay, so there are a couple ways that you can get this. Some people will naturally come into your DMs and tell you some of the results that they have had. For example, just a few days ago, we launched our new school community helping beginners make their first $5,000 online. The very first day that we launched, I got a DM from somebody saying that she had followed one of the methods that we were teaching and got more leads from one post than she had from all of her other posts combined. So naturally, I screenshotted that. Another way that you can get testimonials is through the actual course platform. So in our school platform, we encourage our clients to leave their results so that they can inspire other people. So I screenshot that as well. Another thing that you can do is straight up ask people. So video testimonials can be really, really powerful. For example, we just held a content creation workshop in May, and before a lot of the people left, we just took a quick little video asking them how their experience was, what they would tell other people who were maybe on the fence about coming to a workshop.
And I'm so grateful for everything you taught me today. I have my content, the sales, and I can't thank you enough.
And next, we have process posts. Another way of describing this would be a unique mechanism. Like, how is what you do new and different from everything else? A big example of this that just happened last week was Alex Hormozy did a $105 million book launch, and his unique mechanism he called money models, which is basically just a series of offers that are designed to bring in the most cash up front from new clients and new customers. But the way he framed it and put it together as money models, it sounds new, it sounds exciting. He's got all the steps mapped out. And so it feels like a new opportunity, which then makes people lean in and say, I'm interested in that. So for our clients, we're really great at helping you get in front of the right people and get qualified leads for what you do, what you sell. So one of the first things that we do is we install what we call a daily demand system into your business. And that is a process that gets your ideal customers raising their hands every day and asking you about your offer and what you do instead of you chasing, pushing, or trying to hard sell people. It's kind of like having a shop window that people stop at because they see stuff from the outside and they're like, ooh, that looks cool. I want to go in there and look at that stuff. Rather than if you owned a shop, you going around knocking on people's doors saying, hey, I've got a store over here. You want to come look at my stuff? You want to buy my stuff? Next, we have personality posts. And Becca is particularly good at these, so...
Are posts that show your personality. So all the time, I'll have clients that say, well, I don't want to do talking videos because they always flop. And it's true, right? Like, they're longer, right? And people have shorter attention spans. So naturally, the longer the videos that you post, the lower the views are going to be, or the lower the engagement. But that's okay, because I make so many sales from my talking videos, regardless of how much lower the views are compared to my other shorter trending type videos, okay? And this is for a lot of reasons, right? It's easier to get your point across, you can educate more, but it's also a great place where people can see your personality, right? They can hear the nuance in your voice, the way that you talk. If you have a sense of humor, share your sense of humor. A lot of my followers know that I chronically spill coffee on myself or food on myself when I'm out and about. Like, I post it to my stories. And showing your personality like this, it lets people relate to you. You're not just this authority that they are getting education from. Like, they're actually starting to get to know you and who you are and what you're interested in and how you present yourself. And you are going to gain trust way faster that way than just doing the other 2 posts. So show your personality. This is the cherry on top. This is exactly what is going to get somebody who might be on the fence between purchasing between two people, right? Maybe there's two people that really speak to them. They have these really good offers and the person's like, do I want this or do I want this? They're going to go ultimately with the person whose personality they are attracted to the most, okay? And you will find new people who are attracted to your personality. So show that.
Okay, so for the bonus piece that brings all this together, people have shorter attention spans than ever. And when they land on your profile, there's a subconscious authority test that happens almost instantly. And they're wondering, what does this person do? Does it apply to me? And are they credible? And if the answer is no, and they don't know what you do, then they move on. So to make sure that your profile passes this authority test and get our free GPT that will automatically audit your profile, tell you exactly what's missing and how to fix it, click here. And if you want to see the exact steps to follow to make your first 5K online, join our new community, Digital Marketer School. Come hang out with us and other people that are just like you who are on this journey together. It's the same community that Stina joined 5 days ago on Sunday night, and she landed her first sale the day before yesterday. Hope to see you there. Thanks for watching.